my name is Urvashi Mandral and I am an EMBA student. I did an operational effectiveness MBA course, and then I also got a certification in cybersecurity. I was intrigued with the EMBA program at Ottawa because one of my friends was attending, and then previously during the era of COVID, when I was applying for jobs, I wanted to venture more into product management and like product marketing. But when I was applying for those jobs, I was getting told that I don't have an MBA on my resume, and then I was looking for schools to pursue an MBA program. And since my close friend was already attending Ottawa, they kind of gave me a quick tour, let me know about the courses, what the program involves, and I was really interested, and that's when my journey started. For me, the EMBA program has really honestly did wonders. So before I enrolled in the EMBA program, I was actually working as an intern, doing marketing operations for a startup in Tempe. And then ever since I enrolled in the program, not only was I able to venture into digital marketing, but right around December of 2021, I actually became a manager at my job, and I was promoted to operational effectiveness in my digital marketing agency. So I think it was possible because of some of the skills that I gained during the EMBA program. I've actually recommended two of my close friends for the EMBA program. I would say if somebody is looking to venture into like a new career, if they want to pivot from what they're actually doing in the past, I think the MBA is a great way to like get that head start into a more managerial leadership position in your trajectory. They're really flexible with all the timings, like they're really incorporating of your schedule, and it's really easy to like make it work with your full-time jobs because you only come in like once every 8 weeks, and all the professors are super intelligent, but then they're also super warm. So they understand your background. They have a really diverse faculty here. So I'm really proud of all the people that I've met during the MBA program, and I think it's a really smart choice for anybody who's looking to get an MBA.